We talked about this step of the algorithm. One common point of confusion is how do you actually implement this? Because it can be quite difficult to visualize in Snap. And the key is you're going to want to figure out how you can use some higher order function, half is short for higher order function. So one of either map, keep, or combine, not all of them, in combination with the block you made earlier called occurrences of blank in some word. So if you use this block in combination with one of these higher order functions, you should be able to implement this part of the algorithm, which allows you to count the number of times each of these letters shows up in VVO and GOV, or more generally, which we will code, is the secret code, and the guess. I might have switched those around from earlier, but the idea is the same. And make sure these two things that you return are both list items, because that's essential for the next part of the algorithm. So, what is the next part? Now that you have gotten a list of two lists of numbers, and if we go back down, we can see what they are. Or, well, let's do it this way actually. So just as a reminder, ROYGBV, and this one is going to have VVO, this one's going to have GOV. So VVO has two V's, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and this is going to have 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So now that you've got these lists, you need to compare these lists with each other and get the minimum value at each position. So this would be position 1, position 2, position 3, all the way to position 6. And to do that, and we'll talk about how to do that in the third video, I have to split these up because I can't record more than 3 minutes at a time. You're going to use this block. It's very similar to map, except it has a little number symbol next to it in orange, and it has next to the list at the end, it has a little black arrow. And you get this by going to libraries and importing the lists library.